Hi friends, this is Kid Station. Today we're going to open another ZooTopia toy from the Disney movie ZooTopia. We have here the Rainforest tree, and it also comes with two figures, the good Mr. Manchas and the savage Mr. Manchas. This is a Target exclusive and is recommended for ages 3 and up from Tomy. Let's open our box. It comes with a manual, and we also have stickers to decorate our tree. And I think it would be best if we'll decorate our base first before we put the rest of the parts together. And we could see letters and numbers on our manual here, and there's also letters and numbers on our stickers, so just follow the manual and match the two up. Are you ready, guys? After meeting with Mr. Big and Kevin, Officer Judy Hopps and Nick Wilde went to the rainforest trying to investigate the case of the missing guy named Otterton. Hurry up, Nick! I'm coming! I really don't want to be here. It's scary. Well, too bad, Nick, we're here. Hello, Mr. Manchas. I'm Officer Judy Hobbs and this is Nick. We're trying to investigate the case of a missing person named Atherton. Do you know anything about it? Well, I'm not sure what really happened. All I know is he just went crazy. Can you tell us more what really happened, Mr. Manchas? Well, I guess I'll be out in a minute. Nick, what is that? What's going on? I'm not sure, but I think we need to go run. Oh no! Run, Nick! Run! Mr. Manchas turned savage because somebody shot him with a poison pellet from the night howler's flower. And Officer Judy Hobbs and Nick Wilde ran for their life and called for backup. And here comes Officer McCorn and Officer Clawhauser to the rescue. We have here some of our Zootopia friends. From the left, we have Kevin, Nick Wilde, Officer McCorn, Mayor Lionheart, Officer Judy Hobbs, Mr. Big, Mr. Manchas, and Officer Clawhauser. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.